Hot ass bitches.
Yeah, we're doing that today.
I just wanted to catch this on camera. These pants never closed comfortably, and they're loose. What? I'm so confused right now. What the hell? No, for real, I'm so confused.
Oh, you're talking to camera?
I'm talking to both of you.
Oh.
Like, I don't understand. How the fuck do they fit loose? Okay, I'm gonna go try another pair. Because they basically fit like this. I'm gonna see if they fit the same. Hold on. Second pair of pants. These are like tight, but they're not like as tight as before. Like Jeremy was saying that it was pure fupa. Okay. Now it's like, look at this. Look at this. I'm in shock because I haven't really been working out. Like I haven't really changed that much in my diet. I've just been drinking a lot more water. My pants are fitting. I'm in shock right now. I'm in shock. I'm in complete shock right now. The fit of the day. Fit of the... I thought I was gonna do more today, but looks like I'm taking a nap. 30 minutes, hopefully. I feel like that meme with the baby chimpanzee that's like, I'll just... I feel like that right now. I feel like that. I'm gonna curl my hair right now. We're gonna go to dinner. I'm actually excited. I've never tried ShabuShabu, but we're gonna try it today. Oh, and this, don't look at my grimy ass brown brush. I got this. It's the Hair Dance Volumizing Dry Shampoo. It's literally just powder, and it doesn't have propane in it. Okay, I threw out my dry shampoo that had propane in it. That shit scared the shit out of me. My hair is somewhat still okay, I just have to retouch it. So let's do that. Let's do a little time lapse, shall we? Started brainstorming for my channel, so you guys are gonna see a little bit more of a... Give me a second, this boy. So I'm gonna have more of a structured channel, and I'm super excited because one of you requested to see more like health videos, fitness videos, what I eat in a day videos, and I'm super excited to do that because we found out that there's a gym closer to us that we're going to be going to, and I'm super excited because now there is no excuse. I don't know what the hell happened yesterday. Literally all I've been doing is drinking water. For those pants to fit, like, it's still fucking baffles me. I'm making more videos on that. I'm not a professional. I'm just sharing what's been working for me, and I'm gonna continue to share what's been working for me. Do struggle with PCOS. I hope it can help you. I hope that it can give you some ideas and maybe you can incorporate that you feel are comfortable for you. And yeah, so I do have a few things I want to get done today, so I'll just bring you along with me. There's a lizard outside of my plants. Okay. I said I wanted to get laundry done yesterday, and I also said I wanted to clean off this area, which I did. I emptied out the big box that we had sitting in our living room, so I just have to take that to the trash. I have a few things that I want to donate from Christmas things that I have accumulated, and I'm going to take it to our donation box in our building, so I'm going to do that today too. I'm going to use a matte top coat. Decided I'm going to do my nails because I'm procrastinating. And my mom called me, and I was like, you know what? I'm going to paint my nails while we're talking. So... taking a little break on my nail page just because I've been feeling a little discouraged on there. Well, not because of anything negative, mostly because I just have bigger plans for that page and I can't do any of them right now. And I don't really feel super inspired to like do nails right now. That's why I'm taking a little break on there, going a little MIA for a little bit, because we're allowed to, you know, like we're allowed to take a break if we need a break, and there's nothing wrong with that. So right now I'm just gonna do a solid color so that I can have some cute nails, because I really don't feel like putting on gel X right now. I just want to put on a color. Okay, so top coat is on. Let me just clean the sides. There we go. Okay. Yeah, so we're just gonna do shit. That shit was hot. Okay, I did this color. It's number 177 from the Amelie collection. I got these on Amazon. This one I got it at Sally's. It's okay. It smells like a whiteboard marker for some reason. But this one's in my top 10 of products. Definitely the best fucking matte top coat. I love it. So cute. Just a matte moment, you know. Oh shit. Yes! Happy Vlogmas! I'm going to attempt to do Vlogmas this year. I don't know if I'm gonna achieve it, but I'm gonna try. And we're gonna start with this rig. This is from last night. I just got this board yesterday. It's for my UGC projects that I'm gonna be doing in the future and for my new job that I just got. So this is my setup for now. I just filmed a TikTok last night for Salud. I literally had to do it last night because I completely forgot that last month only had 30 days and not 31 days. So I was like, oh shit, I have to get this done tonight because there was a deadline. But the flavor that I used is the Fresandilla energy drink. I'm almost out of this one because I really, really like this one. The Fresandilla flavor, and I added chamoy and tajin on the rim, and then I added a little bit into the drink, and it was so good.